How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be making a steak sandwich with the chimichurri and aioli and a side of fries. If y'all want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alright y'all, here's all the ingredients we use for this recipe. As always, they'll be listed in the description box in full detail for reference. And with that being said, now let's begin prepping. For our parsley, we're going to make sure to remove all our stems and just chop up the leaves. And for our cilantro, we can chop up the leaves and stems. Alright, now it's time to put together our chimichurri. You're going to add 1/3 cup of parsley, 1/3 cup of cilantro, 1 tablespoon and a half garlic, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1/4 cup roasted red bell pepper, 1/4 cup of shallots, 2 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 2 1/2 tablespoons of vinegar, go ahead and give this a good mix. And finally, add salt and pepper to taste. Next, we're going to put together the aioli. Add 1/3 cup roasted red bell peppers, 2 garlic cloves, half tablespoon of crushed red peppers, half cup of mayo, go ahead and blend this up. Let's go ahead and blend this till we get a smooth consistency. And add salt and pepper to taste. Alright, next up, we're going to get our potatoes ready for fry prep. Go ahead and slice your potatoes into a fry form. And we're placing them in a bowl of water so the potatoes hold their color. Go ahead and slice your bread in half. Get everything ready to go. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and pat dry our potatoes. Make sure they're completely dry before we fry them. We're going to get our temperature to 310 for the first fry. We're going to let these go for about 3 to 5 minutes. And then we're going to pull them and put them in the freezer to cool them completely to prepare them for our second fry. This is going to make the fries more crispy and have a better texture. Alright, now that our fries are completely cool, we're going to go ahead and get our temperature to 350 degrees and start our second fry. We're going to let these go for about 3 to 5 minutes until we reach a nice crispy texture. Alright, that's starting to look good. We're going to go ahead and pull them, and we're going to hit them with some seasoning right away. Get a good layer of salt on them, mix them up, and these are good to go. Alright, now for our steak, we're going to use some oil as a binder, salt, pepper, and we're going to go ahead and repeat the same process on the other side. Salt, pepper, and it's ready to go. Alright, let's go ahead and preheat our cast iron until we reach a smoking point. We'll go ahead and add the oil and get ready to fry our steak. Alright, we're going to let our steak cook on this side. We're not going to really mess with it. We're just trying to get a nice crust. About 4 to 6 minutes on each side on medium-high heat. Alright, that looks good. Now we're going to go ahead and flip it. Alright, now we're going to add our thyme, our garlic, and butter so we can baste the steak. This is going to incorporate a lot of flavor. Just keep basting that butter on top of the steak. Make sure to incorporate the herbs and the garlic. Starting to look good. We're going to go ahead and sear the sides, render that fat out. We're going to let our steak rest for about 5 to 10 minutes before slicing. Alright, that's looking really good. We're going to get our steak loaded up on the baking sheet so we can melt our cheese now. So we'll go ahead and pop this in the oven just to melt the cheese on broil. Let's go ahead and get our bread ready so we can toast it in the oven. Alright. Now we're just going to keep these in the oven until the cheese is melted and the bread is nice and toasted. That looks good. Oh, that's looking good. Alright, let's get ready to put our sandwich together. Let's start off with the chimichurri. We're going to go ahead and put some aioli on the other piece of bread. Put our steak on top. get our fries down, and there you have it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and I will see y'all on the next video. Have a great day.